Okay, so I'm out here today shooting some beautiful footage because it's gorgeous out here. And I'm gonna head into the garden for the first time in about a month because I don't like cold weather. And today it is probably about 55 degrees so far today, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna film the dead garden, and then later we can talk about so I still got some cabbage here that we have not harvested, so still waiting on that. And my lettuce is all spent. You can tell by looking at it. It all went to seed. And it did that a while ago. We just never ripped it out. I still have, this is the best variety right here, the sanguine. And I have a lot of rocky top left, and it's a colder type of variety. I have some red cabbage here. And yeah, some Dutch flat still in the ground. I don't know if it's going anywhere, but it's still in the ground. Yeah, over here still got some herbs. Right here is my lemon balm. I have some more oregano here. The lovage has not died, which I thought it would. I didn't think it would survive here, but it has not died. This is thyme, which I need to clip some of that off because I'm going to put that with my chicken when I finally get it thawed out. And then my overmound here of parsley, unreal. I just didn't think it was going to end up like this. Not going to lie. This is more of medicinal. This is that Valerian root. And next year I'm going to harvest some of that. And more lemon balm. Got a lot of crispy leaves over here. Yeah, so we amended a lot of these beds. My husband did already. And so that next year we'll have a better crop. We had a good crop this year, but it's just the soil wasn't that great, you know? So we already covered this, put poop on there and covered that. We've been putting ash in these beds as well. Over here, this is funny. This is what a Brussels sprout plant that I planted in January. And it's almost been a full year it's been in the ground. And look at that. I have some Brussels sprouts. Look at that. That's crazy, isn't it? Over here, this is one that I experimented with. They said you should cut the leaves off, so I did that. But it's done, so I gotta pull that out. And mint over here still. Some spearmint, which I think this one is not going to die out. This is finally taken off. Oh my god, and it smells so good. It smells so good, guys. This is funny. People are like, I planted bok choy. Yeah? Well, I planted bok choy like 3 years ago. And look, I got bok choy still. It never goes away. Never goes away. Especially in the cold weather, it loves it. This is the dead garden. In the spring, we're going to clean all this up. I have some ideas for some pollinating flowers. Lots of ideas for pollinating flowers. For pollinators. And different stuff like that. So, can't wait to do that. You can hear my rooster in the background. This is that mint. It is a citrus mint or an orange mint. These are all the dead heads of my Mexican sunflowers. And over here is my chocolate mint. And then what's dead right here is my African daisies. And then that is horehound right there. So pretty much anything in the mint family is going to stay strong for you if you live in a colder climate. it's froze here quite a bit and stuff like that. So I mean, it's still hanging on. This is oregano here. Oregano comes back every year for us. And this is the spicy hot oregano. It tastes just like pizza. It is absolutely to die for. And I let it go to seed so it can reproduce. I have some dead rhubarb over there in the corner that I need to pull out. Stuff like that. I haven't done one of these tours in a while because I've just been not feeling it lately. I don't know why, but I just haven't. Over here I have carrots in the ground still. You can see here they're still in the ground. They're still doing good. Over here is some Swiss chard, but the carrots are doing great. I need to get in here. I have some purslane, stuff like that, that I need to pull out of this bed. But for the most part, the leaves and stuff are going to keep the carrots stored in there nicely. And in the spring, I'm going to pick them. I planted those carrots in August, so I think I'm gonna have some really good carrots. It's different in every area. In every area, it's different. Your carrots, I heard people say they planted carrots in the fall, and in the spring they tasted like crap. So it's different for every area. This is my big test to see. My grandfather used to do it here, so I'm testing it out to see if they're gonna make it through. Everybody is cutting wood today. The weather's gonna get super cold sometime. So everybody's cutting wood and yeah, God, it's gorgeous out today. Absolutely gorgeous. I planted these Nigerian black hollyhocks, and I didn't realize that it takes 2 years for them to grow. And I got one planted in here, and they don't die off. They just, you know, the second year they'll bloom. So hopefully next year I'll have this beautiful black, you know, hollyhock sitting there. I'm hoping, anyway. Okay, so moving out of the garden, let's go ahead and we'll take a look at the birds. Haven't seen the birds in a minute. Okay, so yeah. Now here with the turkeys. Birds. Henrietta still has her hen saddle on, which I'm really surprised. So does Marge. There's Valentino. Hi Val. You looking good, dude. As always. Oh, the turkeys are fans. Hi guys. Hi guys. What are you doing, Rico? Hmm? Okay, there's all my birds, most of them anyway. I don't know where my Wyandottes are or anything like that that I purchased, but they're around here somewhere. There is Gerald. Hi, Gerald. Hi, Gerald. Oh, hi, Graybeard. All right. Ooh. Hi, Hawkeye. There they are. That's my little one. That was just hatched with this last bunch. And there's Raoul. Eating their food. We basically closed this off so the birds could go in there for the winter because a lot of them weren't going inside the coop. So we closed that off. The turkeys roost on top of this triangle, which is thus the reason for the poop. And oh, I have a duck in the pond, a couple of them down there. I don't know how far I can go out without getting my feet wet. We'll see. There they are. They love it. I had more. We had a whole flock of ducks, and over the years they've gotten eaten or something has happened to them, and we rescued one and she passed away, and so now we just have these two left. I eventually want to get runners. That's what I really want, but let's see. There they go. We've got 2 female ducks left. Oh, Lucy Goose is following me. Hi, Lucy Goosey Goose. What's up, girl? Graybeard's following me. Hi, Graybeard. These were our original chickens. Don't go in there, Lucy. You're not a duck. Goofy girls. All right. Thanks for taking the time to look at my barnyard, and you know, I haven't been out here in a minute, so I wanted to take a look around. I can't wait to get some things started, and we'll see you next time.